Ever found yourself fumbling with your Canon 5D Mark IV's battery plug, especially when you need power fast? Today, we're going to ensure your camera is always ready, showing you the practical steps for correctly inserting and utilizing the battery plug on your Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. First, identify your battery or power source. If you're using an AC adapter or a dummy battery for extended shooting, you'll have a specific plug designed to fit into the battery compartment. Locate the small rubber flap or port cover on the side of your camera, near the battery compartment. This is where the cable from your battery plug will exit. Carefully open this flap to reveal the cable exit port. This is crucial for preventing damage to your cable when the battery door is closed. Now, align your battery plug, whether it's part of a dummy battery or directly from an external power supply, with the contacts inside the battery compartment. Once inserted, gently route the power cable through the open rubber flap. Make sure the cable sits snugly in the groove designed for it in the battery compartment door. Carefully close the battery compartment door, ensuring the cable is not pinched by the door. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely latched. When the door is closed, the cable should seamlessly exit through the port, allowing for a tight seal and preventing any stress on the connector. And just like that, your Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is officially powered for extended shooting sessions, maximizing your camera's uptime and performance. Happy shooting!